Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you honest, detailed insights into the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into what could easily be your dog's next favorite toy. The best durable rubber medium dog toy, the MewaJump Dog Chew Toy. Whether you've got an energetic chewer or a playful pup who needs a daily dose of stimulation, this cactus-shaped rubber toy is worth your attention. Let's take a closer look. The MewaJump Dog Chew Toy is designed specifically for aggressive chewers, made from natural, safe rubber that's flexible yet tough enough to endure serious gnawing. If you're constantly replacing destroyed toys, this could be the long-lasting solution you've been looking for. But the appeal doesn't end with durability. This toy is full of thoughtful features tailored for your dog's overall health and happiness. Its cactus-shaped design isn't just for fun aesthetics. The shape is strategically made to excite and engage dogs, making them more likely to interact with the toy for longer periods. It also has a unique milk flavor built right into the material. That means your dog is not only entertained but also encouraged to chew, clean, and protect their teeth naturally. Dental health is a major concern for dog owners, and this toy takes that seriously. The ridges on the surface help to scrape off plaque and reduce gum inflammation, promoting healthier teeth without needing any extra effort on your part. As your dog chews and bites, the toy gently massages the gums and gets into those hard-to-reach spots. Now let's talk about puppies. Teething can be a tough phase, both for the dog and for you. Shoes, furniture, and cushions are all at risk. The MewaJump toy steps in as a safe outlet for that natural urge to chew, providing relief from itching and irritation. For active adult dogs, it doubles as a stress relief tool. Biting helps them release pent-up energy, and this toy gives them a safe, durable way to do just that. The MewaJump Cactus toy is designed to be versatile, suitable for small to medium dogs, and even holds up well with larger breeds. Whether your pet is still growing or already full-grown, this toy adjusts to their chewing needs with ease. We also appreciate the brand's honesty. While the toy is made to be very durable, they're upfront in saying that no toy is truly indestructible. That's why they recommend supervised play, especially with strong chewers. But even so, it outlasts many other chew toys in the same price range and delivers excellent value. If you're looking for a safe, tough, teeth-cleaning toy that keeps your dog happy and healthy, the answer is a solid yes. From durability to dental support to interactive play, it checks all the boxes. That's it for today's review. If this sounds like the toy your dog's been waiting for, check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert product critiques just like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.